Abuse VQ, stay locked in.
Alright, let's see what we got. Holy shit, snatched the whole joint. Ooh, what do you know? Drain plug, just what I needed. Right off the rip. Booyah. I'll hold that down. Whew, they killed that shit. Let's see what else we got, baby. Whew, the fun. The fun. It's just begun. Let's go. Alright. Let's see. Let's take a walk. Whew. Let's see what we got. Take it roll by roll, baby. Let's see what it is. Read it in wheat, B. My fucking flex pipe went. I am not in New York. I done hit 4 shops. Let me tell you why I love New York, Mo. This VA shit with these shops down here, especially if it's something that you need, these dudes is trash, Mo. Dead ass, B. How you in a field, you in a shop. Nigga, I'm a street mechanic, bro. I come and handle my shit wherever, bro. And I tell you, if I got the right materials, see, I got the space. We in here. Let's jack it up. I'm about to tackle this flex pipe, Mo. See if I can't hold it, you know, something. Like, repair wrap it or something until I get back to New York. So, it's about to be go time. Let's go. All right, let me show y'all the damage, right? See how this shit look, right? It's my flex pipe. Let me show y'all how bad shit is. This shit ugly, look at that. Super crack, my nigga. OMG. So let's cut this off. I'm gonna use my dermal, cut this off, and then we're just gonna try and wrap this and see if hopefully this exhaust repair wrap or hold this shit up until I get back to New York. This is the main factor right here. Try and leave as much material as possible so I have something to go off of. See where I made my cuts here to get this shit off. So now with this shit off, shit was done, bro. Flex pipe trashed. You know, dermy. So now let's see how we could wrap this shit up, make it nice and neat, and hopefully be able to seal this shit until I get back to New York. Cause that look major, dude. A major breakage. Jesus. Alright, team, it ain't pretty. It ain't pretty, but shit, that's the wrap. Let's try and tie this down and let it rock out for a couple of hours. And we should be good, bro. Like, that should really sink in. Actually, what I'm about to get, bro, I'm about to get some zip ties and just zip tie that shit so it's nice and tight. Let me go do that. All right, team. It's time to go to work, baby. Made it all the way here from VA with this fresh wrap. Like, yo, this shit was it. So, my man about to cut me down. Let's get it started. Here we go. Let's get it popping, bro. Let's get a fresh one. Old shit out. New shit about to go in. Let's get it popping. Shake it, team. Just wanted to show y'all that new flex pizzite. Wanted to show y'all while I was up, but they dropped the joint by the time I got back. But we in here though, baby. You already know, no leaks, fresh. That's what we needed. You know what I mean? Let's get a quick sound check on that. Show y'all what it sound like. You already know. You already know what time it is, team. Back. Time to get this wheel alignment. See how this baby sound. Bless me, Mo. When I say, like, you see how that shit was red, bro, or shit is red and it's green, bro, all my shits was in the red bag, my nigga. It's like Primo doing his thing under here, my nigga Jay Holiday holding me down. So, see if we can wrap this shit up right. You know, I'm ready to do 1,000 miles and run it. We in here. shaking, team. I tell y'all, it's always fucking something. So I just did like a quick test with my joint. As y'all seen, I was in the car. I hit the brakes several times. I did not see them shits come on. I put on my lights. I seen that the lights work. Everything is wavy. So now I'm definitely about to change the brake light switch. Let me get in here with y'all right quick. Show y'all how to change this shit. It's actually really simple. It's actually really cheap. I can appreciate that. So somebody actually pulled me over and told me that my brake lights weren't working. Like none of my brake lights was on while we was at a stoplight. So shout out to you, old head. I appreciate you. Yes, sir. So if you needed to know location-wise, here is your rear brake light switch. It's real simple. You see it plugs in here, 2 pigtails. Here's the connector. I'm gonna push that in and pull it out. Here's a push clip. So now you're gonna turn it 90 degrees. It's gonna come right out, right? Boom. Literally that simple, team. One of the quickest vids I think I've ever made. So this is the old joint out. Yeah, that's an official part. Super old. Got the new one, old one, new one. Let's see what we get. Let's put it in here and rock and roll right with your team. All right, team, so we got the new one in. You see this has the gray connector. That's in. Just matched it up to where it's perfect. Good to go. It's really simple, team. And just to give y'all that follow-up, I just wanted to show y'all we got brake lights. You know what I'm saying? We got brake lights now, we're good. So let me get in here and show y'all. There's in here. Old one with the casing and clip that it goes through. But yeah, that's it. Real quick, snatch this joint out. So I guess this shorts out after a while. Like it was still plunging, but I guess it shorted. It was a done deal. But that's what it is, team. You already know. Stay locked in. It's your boy Sir V, aka that OG. Hit that subscribe button. We in here, baby.